Okay, hello guys. Shit, wrong avatar. Alright, so, motherfucker. Man, I'm about to fucking punch this Alright, done, Pookies. So today, I'ma show y'all a CamLock script I made. Sadly, I've been averaging 150 ping and up due to shitty Wi-Fi connection. But the script is free for y'all to change anything you want, so go crazy. Anyway, enjoy those fire clips for real, for real.
What is that, bro? I literally jumped off and it just